The song Blessed Redeemer by Casting Crowns from their album Until the Whole World Hears is a very simple song to play. The acoustic guitar has a kind of standout strum pattern. It's not hard, but it's just a little different, so make sure you check that out. And the electric guitar is as straightforward as it gets. We're also bringing in some string parts on the electric guitar on that second verse. If you don't have strings, it's nice to be able to at least have that little counter melody going since we're not playing anything on the electric anyway. Song is not capoed or anything, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started.
Blessed Redeemer, precious Redeemer, seems now I see him on Calvary's tree, wounded and bleeding, for sinners bleeding, blinded and heeding, dying for me.
Now our main parts are on the chorus. They're both very similar, though slightly different. I'll play you the first one first, and then we'll kind of talk through what happened. It sounds like this. Main idea there. I'm going to turn off the delay here so we can actually, mostly reverb, so we can actually hear what's going on. Essentially, we're just doing this little eighth note pattern. We're barring on the D and the G. Starting on that G, you can see it on your tabs. We'll look at chorus 1. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're going up to that 12th fret of the B, making sure to still hold down that D string so we can hear that. So once again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The third time though, you're going to drop, go to your 11th fret of your G here, middle finger on the 12th of the D, and we're going to do the same rhythm, but we're just going to walk up the scale that way. So we'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then finally for the last one, we get up to the D and the G again, 2 and 3 and drop back down. So one more time, that section is going to go like this. And then where it pauses, it kind of drops to that C chord. We're just going to play. So it's just dropping to that 11, and so we're not alternating anymore. We're still keeping an eighth note pattern. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you got to get that pointer finger up there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now the second time through, we repeat the chorus 2 times, and we don't play that little tag at the end. We play it slightly different. So we end on the. And then we're going to do the same idea. So we're kind of combining the two riffs. We're dropping to the 11th fret, 1 and 2 and. So going to that 12th fret of the D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So going to the 14th of the G and then the 12th of the B. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then the last time you're going to do the same thing, but drop down to there and then throw on your overdrive and build in with your D chord there, which you can also see on the tabs. So I have loops of both of those down below. I've got them both full speed. I think you can handle that. And then let's take a look at that verse. 2 and 3 and 4 and.